In today's tutorial, we are going to create a Disney-style 3D animation story like this.
Serenading him. Suddenly, he heard a faint cry for help.
I won't let these binds confine your spirit any longer.
With the help of one AI tool, that is Artflow.ai. And this is going to be absolutely free, so make sure you stick to me till the end. So if you're excited, let's begin. Go to app.artflow.ai. Here you can create an account with your Gmail or email account. So once you open it, you will be led to this dashboard where you will be getting 100 credits for free. So let us begin with step 1, where we will be creating the story. Now if you are having a story outline, then you can go to the story studio option, and here go to top right hand side corner, new story option. Here you have two options. One is help me get a story, or I have a story. So I will go to help me create a story. Now here they will ask for your kind of audience. For me it is a children's story. Now they will ask what is the purpose of the story. So I want to create the story on this model. So let me go ahead. Now this is a children's story. So I will go to this children's story option. Now if I have a story idea in my mind, I can type it here. So I have given a brief description of my story where a boy named Ron was very lazy and that used to bother his parents a lot. Meanwhile, on his holidays, when he visits his grandfather's village, his grandfather teaches him a lesson where he understands the value of time and how he can achieve everything in his life if he values time. With this storyline, I will go to generate story outline. If you did not like it, you can again go for a second generation. Well, in my case, I like this story outline and I will go ahead to create this story. So here they will ask us to select the format. If it is a shorts or reel format story, then go for this. Otherwise, go for horizontal. I am going for horizontal. I will go for 3D cartoon style and then continue character created. According to the style, they will be creating our characters. So just wait for a while the software, the AI is creating this magical slides, and then we will be moving forward. See, it's creating our two characters, main characters. One is Ron and one is Ron's grandfather. Well, we have got our two characters. If you like these characters, then go ahead. If you don't like, you can again further change the appearance. Well, for this video, I quite like these two characters, so I will continue with the storyboard. Now here they will be creating the images for us according to the story. So we have got our amazing images. You see, these are all kind of similar images. So consistent characteristics are also there. So like this, we have different images. So what we will do is, we will be simply going to export all these images first. Then we will be converting it into video. And go export it. Now, your video is ready. If everything is cool, you can see the title as well. And you can go ahead and download this video. Now, download with CC or download without subtitle. You may choose either of it. Well, I'm checking download with subtitle only, and then I will get this downloaded in my PC. So as our video is downloaded, we are going to give a little bit effect in this video in order to get you the final product. If you want to skip this part, then you can directly go to the part 2. For now, let us go to the project option. We will be dragging and dropping our first video, which has been readily created by Artflow.ai, where there is no lip sync as such. So this is our video, and here all we need to do is we have our subtitles as well. So I will straight away go to effects option. So I like this star particle option. So I will just drag and drop it here. So I will start it from the very beginning and will continue till the end, the same one. If you want to change the opacity, you can double click on the particular section and you can change it, reduce the opacity and go OK. Now Now once the effect part is over, I really don't want this Artflow logo to be coming here. So what all I need to do is double click on this, go to this crop option, okay, and just minimize it a little bit. Just bring it a little downwards and make sure it is at the middle. And apply and check if any important part is getting cut or not. It seems that a main part of the video is getting cut, so we will not be doing this. So I will just go backwards. Now I will show you the second thing. Go to this effect panel, okay, and here search mosaic, the free option here, and I want this one, okay. So just drag and drop it here. Just double click on this, bring it here and just minimize it so that it covers only the Artflow part. And then from this option, you can choose which one is giving the best result. According to me, this one gives the best result. Okay. You can change the blurriness, blur amount also and opacity also. Just do okay and check if it is okay or not. Just cover the entire. Go to this title section. So I have all this cinematic title here. You can choose any of these. So the one you like, you just drag and drop it here. Then double click on this, change your title. Okay. Now if you want to give it some animation, you can go to this animation option. And here you have different animation, in animation, out animation, loop animation. So you can just double click and it will get implemented and then check. If it is alright, only one thing is left, a good transition. Go to this transition option. So here you get different type of transitions. So let me give this transition. Then go to export option and give it a name. Select the directory, select higher and export. And after all this is the final result from Welcome to part 2. In this section, we're going to see how will you create lip sync video with the help of Artflow.ai. So for this, first, we can either create the story from Artflow.ai itself, otherwise we can create the story in ChatGPT. And here I have given a short storyline and asked ChatGPT to create a short story within 200 words and go. Once I have copied the story, now this is time to create the voiceover. So for this, I am going to use 11 lakhs. So sign up with your Gmail or email account. Then you can select the voice artist. You can straight away go ahead and go to generate button. So once generated, come downwards. Once this is generated, you can click on this play button to play it and check if that is alright. Once it is alright, you can come and download the audio. Like this, you will have to create audio for the voiceovers as well. We will head over to Artflow.ai and here we will go to image studio option. From there, go to new image options. Here you will have to change the aspect ratio to 3:2 and here you will have to select whether you want a portrait or general. I will select general. Artflow 2 magic, this option on, and detector mode also you may keep on. So we will head over to our image prompts and we'll copy the first prompt and just paste it. So go to this add style option and from here you can choose any of the styles. So I am going to give 3D anime style. So you can choose 2 styles also. I will just keep one and you can go to generate one option and let the magic happen here. So I have got 4 images. Out of that, I like this image. Either you can make more vibrant. You can go for animation also. You can give animation here. You can give some effects also here. Right to left or zoom out. I feel zoom in effect is good. So I will keep zoom in effect. Go to upload option. Go to browse option. And I will upload the first audio. So I will take the story 1, scene 1, drag and drop it or open it. We can go to export option. Export the video. So we have generated the first video for our scene 1. While the video is getting ready, let us create the second scene. So we will go to new image option. Now here we will be creating our first character, that is Landon. Here again we will keep this mode on and we will take mid shot. You can choose one avatar also. You can check the style. So I will keep this same 3D anim style, and then you can go for generate option. So I have got these 4 images. You can check one by one. I think I will go for this one. Make it more vibrant. I will make it more vibrant. Then I will go to animate option. Now I need to add my dialogue. For that I will go to dialogue option. I will go to upload option, and here I will browse and I will take the first dialogue of land on. So I will select this dialogue. Now I will click on this small mic. If you want to give some effect, you can go to effect. So I'll take the zoom out effect here, and then I can export this. For the mermaid also we will have to create the video. Now you see my first video is ready here. My second video is also getting ready here. Meanwhile, I will just create the mermaid's image as well. In the same way I have created this particular image. So let me do that. So I perhaps like this particular image. So I will go to make more vibrant option and then animate option. As soon as you go to animate option, it will direct you to the video studio. One thing I want to show you here, while you are going to scene, you are supposed to upload your own scene if you have one. And if you want to upload dialogue, then you have to go to dialogue. Then go to upload and browse, and then you can upload the dialogue. So let me take the dialogue of mummy. You can give some filters also. Okay, different filters are there. The teal filter and check. You can go to export. And after all this is the final result.
Landon strolled along the picturesque coastline of Eldoria, the sound of waves serenading him. Suddenly, he heard a faint cry for help and followed it to find the marmot ensnared in a mystical net.
Fear not, mystical friend. I won't let these binds confine your spirit any longer.
You've saved me, brave human. Your kindness won't go unrewarded.
In your honor, dear princess, I shall use this magic to bring wonders to our world.
Thank you, Landon, for seeing the magic and kindness. With you by my side, our worlds shall thrive in harmony.
As the sun set over Eldoria, Landon and the Marmid Princess forged a lasting bond. They stood together looking out over the azure sea, ready to face whatever adventures awaited them.
Guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.